Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. I wanted to make a rating change just real briefly on the market. The overall market, we're in a trading range and it's pretty wide. So that's why we're getting a lot of volatility and um, there's things to buy, but you got to be selective and in the right sectors. Today, one of the oil energy related things that I've held, you know, Chevron, neutral on that right now. I'm sorry, oil is not a buy recommendation. GSG, the iShares Commodity Index, uh, um, Brazil. Um, I know I'm missing one or two commodity based kind of things, but energy is really overdone here, and I'm downgrading Saudi Arabia from a buy to a hold. This is one that did not really rally with oil prices like it should have, and I think a lot of that had to do with the Iranian situation and some bombs hitting Saudi Arabia. I guess that would do something to your stock market. But anyway, I can't concern myself with that. So let's get into it. Here we go. This is still intact. This big pattern is still intact, barely. So this is a big 1, 2, 3 year symmetrical triangle. And we purchased up here. There was this shorter term pattern that gave me the buy signal. Um, And then we had this confluence of moving averages underneath, and prices retraced back. Actually, when I recommended this, I said I wouldn't be surprised to see this happen. If it retraces back a type 2 convergence and holds, it promises a new higher high. So buy the dip. And then the next week, it just blew through that to the downside. And there was really no chance to sell that week. I mean, I'm guessing it was probably down 3, 4% on that week. This is a weekly chart. Each bar represents a week. And so I patiently waited until it bounced. And now it's bouncing back up to that confluence of moving averages, only we're underneath it now. So it's more of a bearish rainbow convergence. Anyway, I bought at 39.75. I sold at 37.25 for a loss of 6%. I don't like that, but if it broke down out of this triangle, this thing could go way, way, way down. And I'll show you why I decided to sell today after this bounce. So let's take a look. This is just going to be this small part right here. And here we had one, two, we had this up move and then we had a down move and it broke through all the moving averages and had a nice bullish hammer here. This is daily. So we had a nice floor right here. We got a pop yesterday, which I really liked. And then today we again sold off intraday. We're able to close up above, towards the top of the range for the day, but we are also engulfing the prior day's price action here, the white body, the up day and the down day. That's a bearish engulfing pattern. And we're also prices bottom when this confluence of moving averages on the daily chart all came together, and we got a type 2 retracement where it came back to that retracement. Uh, if it doesn't break through, though, it's going to promise a new lower low. So I'm just going to take my 6% loss. I didn't sell all of mine. When I go from buy to neutral, depending on the situation, I would take this down to my minimum, which is maybe 1% or 50 basis points of my portfolio. I might have been 3% or 4% in this earlier. So I've taken it way down. But there's a chance that this is still intact. So, tomorrow's Friday. We'll see what the weekly close is, but it really has to get up here for me to want to be involved in it. So, and oil looks really overdone to me right now. Um, Sold a lot of energy stocks, brought them down to lower percentages of the portfolio. So sorry about this one, but I think it's prudent to at least protect from a big loss. So thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.